Welcome to Mike X Apple, and of course my trio of new Apple products would not be complete without the Apple Watch Series 8. So let's dive in. Right now I am wearing the Apple Watch Series 5, and it's time for it to go. The battery life has gotten, it's not bad, it's just not lasting nearly as long as it used to. And it was an upgrade year. For that reason only, because I do feel like the Apple Watch, especially around Series 4, Series 5, kind of plateaued. It's kind of mature. It became a mature product at that point. So I don't like upgrading. I don't feel like I get that much out of the upgrade for the Apple Watch. Let's dive in here and see what we get in the box. And I love what they do with this outer box for the Apple Watch, because there's always two boxes in here. So they do this cool folding outer box that has the watch designs on the inside. So I really do like that. I've always liked that about the Apple Watch. Of course, since my last upgrade, the screen has gotten bigger, so I am going to have that in my first impressions of what I think of this watch overall. And I'm sure it'll be faster, and of course the battery life will be better because mine is old and crusty. Now, of course, the most interesting watch this year was the Ultra, but I do feel like it's probably a little bit too big for me, and even though I really want the better battery life, I don't want it at the cost of like having this big thing on my wrist that's $800. Let's pop this open. So this is going to be the main part, the juiciest part, which is going to be the actual watch itself. So let's pop this out. Does this come with Apple stickers? I don't remember. I don't think it does. Your basic instructions. I didn't think this came with Apple stickers. I mean, what size would they be? Come on. You see how short this box is? Which the funny thing is, I got the case, the phone, and the watch at the same time. The watch had the biggest box. So let's get this out. This is of course the charger, because nothing comes with a charging brick anymore. So this is just your standard Apple Watch magnetic charger that they've had forever. How do you open this? Okay, oops. And this is USB-C to magnetic puck. So I probably will swap out my charger because it's pretty old. Of course, we have the Apple Watch here. And yep, this looks exactly like an Apple Watch, just how you would imagine it will look. Let's go ahead and get this watch band out. I picked the medium large size. And this kind of shows you how to assemble the whole thing. It's the same as any other Apple Watch. You basically just slide in the bottom part and the top part, and you'll hear it click in place. And then we can go ahead and fire this up. So again, this is my first time with the bigger display, which I'm going to be honest, the last time I went up to a bigger display, it didn't do much for me, but I have a long standing list of complaints about the Apple Watch that I'm not going to get into in this video because it's supposed to be a happy time. So I'm going to let this continue to do its thing. I'll be back with my first impressions of the Apple Watch as well as the new iPhone. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos and keep doing wonderful things. Peace.